Welcome back to the new live stream of the day, of the week, of Monday. And first of all, we go and check what is doing on gold. I want to see gold. I want to as well have a little bit more brightness in my monitor. Can I have? Thank you. So first of all, daily chart. We still have time. Market is not yet open. We're going to check the 3-minute chart. Very bullish for the moment. Does it look there? Previous day's highs. I already see it. Previous day's highs is there. I'm going to remove this one. We're going to keep that one too because it's quite close to the previous day's highs. That is our main target today. Very bullish. Holding this level, this area of resistance support. That is this previous day's highs as well. So we're holding a support area. And at the same time, we have some targets there. So it does look wants to more take this previous day's high than taking any lows. So we're going to look definitely for mostly bullish situation right now. And that's looking interesting around this area. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful around that area there. Holding it 750 will be amazing. Morning guys, morning Fayad, morning Matt, morning guys. So I'm very bullish on the day on Nasdaq. So I'm gonna I'm gonna look right now at the hour chart to see where can be a nice level of entry on the hour chart. What can be a level that can be a trigger for me for possible hold before taking longs. This area is definitely the main one. That would be the best would be definitely coming back up to these lows in pre-market, but that's very a long way. We're speaking about 40 points. It's not even that much. It's 40 points up to there. Good morning, Brazil. No, in Brazil Wednesday, my friend. In Brazil, I took so in Paraguay, I've been always in apartments, so kind of alone all the time. So in Brazil, I want to change it. So I'm going to go back to hostel. I'm going to have my private room. It's going to be a surfing hostel. So I'm going to do morning work, live streaming, and then afternoon surfing and, enjoying the beach, enjoying Brazil. So that's going to be my vibes for the next 2 weeks and a half. Until I move to another place. I will be in Florianopolis. So I'm looking for, it would be amazing to see these lows be taken before going higher. But we know the market does what it wants. It doesn't want to wait for us. So these can be probably 800. There are 800s here. There's 800s here. 800s are here. 800s are here with like a little bit of resistance, but this area is it's a bit dirty. It's a bit dirty. We have a push. Then our 800s are here. Then a push more above 800s. It's a bit dirty. To look for, let's go to the 50-minute chart to see what he wants to do. Yeah, quite dirty. Dirt. 800s are here. So even these lows can be enough to be taken out before going higher. These beautiful 800s, how it came for the 800, that would be amazing to see it probably. To see this level coming back, grabbing these lows, and closing higher, then I will look for longs. That would be interesting. Yes, I like this 800 level here. Are you trading bigger size today? I'm trading. I saw your comment, but I saw your comment this morning. But now, yes, I'm trading bigger size for some accounts. I don't even bother them about them. That's the funny thing. So it does not trigger mental me because they are there in the backwards, like this account, this account. What is that account? These accounts they're bigger sites, but I don't really care about these accounts. They can blow up. $6, I can restart at initial balance. I think it's totally the best deal for me right now. So we have this low here. It can be interesting. For if this holds and come back, I'm happy to take loans around that level. Yeah, I'm happy to take longs because above there. Bogdan, yeah, I think I will love it because I wanna surf. I wanna surf, guys. I wanna surf so much. I'm not a good surfer at all. I wanna learn. I'm gonna take some private class, but I wanna take some lessons, do some sports. I mean, I'm doing very well with sports, to be honest. Here, I've been going to the gym quite often. Lows of previous days highs. We have a gold is definitely interesting more for like, look at how it pushed it. It didn't grab this high here, but it grabbed these ones, closed very bearish, or with a big wick at least. And right now it's holding, but didn't grab any previous day's low there. So gold can be interesting for some downside. Let's see the hour chart. Pre-market just already got stopped out. Okay, give me a second. I want to go back to that because I'm interested, to be honest. I'm interested on this possibility of going long. We're taking these. We're already bearish. We have a range right now here in gold. Yeah, gold does not. It looks dirty. Looks dirty for me. I mean, these lows are interesting, but something has to happen on the lower time frame for me to be taken. Yeah, something has to be taken out first. Because now we take this one. If it comes back and takes something, yeah, I don't like that's dirty as hell. Oh, look at that! Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Look at it. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. We're coming back very strongly, huh? Close to placing number. No, 300k? Man, I will never take any more of 300k account. Never anymore. Never anymore for me. Right now we've done it. That is what, so I'm not gonna take any longs until the market is open. No, 3 more minutes, but these candles are moving quite interesting. If we see this candle closing already strongly, what the heck? This is already a nice entry for me there. Man, you're messing up. Man, I don't know if you've been here in some previous live stream, but I did enter 10 minutes on 10 accounts in PAs, and I figured it out. I made like $200 by luck. And after like a few seconds, it skyrocketed. And I could have made like 1,000, but it would have destroyed my consistency rules anyway. So yeah, I feel you. Guys, we're already taking these. Are we closing above the 800? If you close above 800, how much is the $300 source plus? There's 5 contracts, even more. 7 micros. I close above, and we can aim for this high here, 427. Yeah, I was lucky as hell. To be honest, I was really lucky. I was still trading breaks of 15 minutes, so it came and it went right away a little bit in profit. But it was yeah, ugly as hell, ugly moment. No longs for me. I would like to see closing at least above this area here, the 800s. I would like to see a closure. So these things can still a little bit bearish. If we see start closing above, I will look for longs. 20 seconds, market is opening. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I need to close some. I noticed that I have CapCut editor open, and CapCut takes a lot of memory. Okay, market open. Look, if we come back even lower here at these lows, and we grab these lows and we start to close bullish, I will take longs. If we start to close it on these 30 minutes long, yeah, that's, yeah, okay. You can go at, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna be angry with it. I wish, let's see, it's still too early, whatever, it's only 30 seconds. But oh, working hand. Did I do something there? Yeah. We're gonna leave it there. If it skyrockets without us, it's okay. We're gonna leave it do what it wants to do. Very difficult to take anyway these kind of entries. I can kind of take longs here, but then if the candle is not closing, it's this kind of days where if it skyrockets like this, you cannot hate yourself. We accept it and move on. By the way, I'm copying trading all 20 accounts. I have to honestly test it first. Let me put an order there, buy stop, and I should have all my accounts copy trade. Yes. Imagine that some I will 35 macros. Closing, yes, all good. Oh, 300K, you went long there. That's beautiful, man. I wish I was in a long position as well. I mean, that was already, that's already profit target here, but no entry. That's unfortunately how the market can give you FOMO on a days like this. We're gonna wait and see what the market wants to provide me. I like this previous day's highs as a target. So until this previous day's highs do not get taken, I can still look for longs. Previous ES lows being right now, we are at the lows on ES. So ooh, that's interesting. Let's see how it wants to evolve. If I take a long here, and if it wants to pull back, that's too much loss. That's too much loss. That's better. If it's really want to pull back, this previous this high is still fine for me, and this risk reward is still good. But for my point, we're gonna just break it as hell because right now, yes, we're taking some lows. Maybe that is gonna be liquidity grab in ES, and that's gonna give a push in ES, push in NQ. This Sphinx is gone. Yeah, I like it as well that way of I was doing as well that way of passing account. It was like if I like, for example, if I like that we're gonna go long here on a 50K account, I will just take one mini, no stop loss, but I can handle any big pullbacks. But at the same time, I can grab some nice longs. Guys, the longs idea, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, no actual entry for us. So we're gonna leave it there for the moment. As much as we love it, these longs, this previous day's target, yeah, no stop. Yeah, that's what I would do. I swear, I would take, like if I, for example, if I like here the idea that we're gonna take previous day's highs, I would take a long even here with one mini evaluation and just leave it there to play, and you will make $1,560 on that, and you were able to handle any pullbacks, and you made like half profit. No previous days taken. A lot of choppiness. Market looks very choppy, by the way. Are we gonna come back here? Wow. Play it cool. Always double check before entering a trade. I'm trading MNQ. The correct. That's what I always do. Is always before taking a trade, I always check how much I'm risking. Oh, $310. Then boom, buy. I'm requesting go for it for Han. For it or Rahman. What's Rahman? I'm good, brother. Alhamdulillah. What about you? I need certificate threshold. For 300K, you need to get to 7.6K. Yes, to get payout. Yes. Yes, it's just dumping, but it's holding that lows there. If you enter longs here, risking $300, you still have a nice target there. You still have a nice target. Long here. But to be honest, I would still take this long until we don't take these highs. I still like the long idea. And just, yeah, I'm gonna give it a moment. But these longs, still for me, interesting. 33 seconds for closing this candle. Take it. Maybe if we can get an even better risk reward, I would. Let's see how let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Only traffics. Still holding. It's playing with a lot of people there. September 23. What happened in September 23? I don't remember. I don't remember September 23. What was the market at the time? I was trading futures, I believe. I was trading ES, I believe, with Jose. But now I don't remember. I'm thinking to take it, huh? How much am I risking? $280. I'm looking more. You know what? I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. Just because I'm not 100% sure. So just because of that, I'm not gonna take it. Stop taking trades that I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna skip it and wait for the next one. No, it's when you're at 52,600, you can get $500. The cushion is $500 below the 52,600. That means from 52,600 you can request $500, and above that you can request the other 1,500 until max payout of $2,000. 52,600 request 500. If you get to that level, request payout. That's my always advice. I think it will be. No cares. I really don't know. I think I don't know. I'm really. This is top. This is like directors. This is the decisions of the directors. We don't know. I even know about. Really people think I know about the promotion in advance. I really don't know about the promotion in advance. I know the promotion like the same as you. It's just they do testing and as well they do comparison with competition. You see what is the best promotion around. For example, let's say Top Step, they did a similar things. They were like, we're gonna increase the evaluation price, but tell you that there is no activation fee. But people are hardly passing evaluations anyway. So yeah. I get your point. I think right now, if you buy an evaluation, you definitely need to trade it normally, because you cannot YOLO and try to take you cannot YOLO it as before. You really need to be careful on trading the evaluations. Taking it easy, take the time. Yes, 100%. I agree with that. We still did not have crossed the 15 minutes range, guys. That is the funny thing. So sometimes we rush on taking trades. 15 minutes range did not even close. We still have 5 minutes. Yeah. So good luck. Good luck. Yeah, I called you Jose for a moment. Good luck, Mufti. Yeah, for the moment we're definitely selling off. Yes, did not hold these lows, the market lows. I would like to see. I'm still bearish, bullish on the day, but right now I'm gonna wait for a little bit more confirmation. Like if we grab even more lows and come closer, then yes, I will take again the long. How's it going for me? Honestly, I had a great week last week. I couldn't look. It's so funny because, for example, now I was ready to take a trade. Then I was like, wait, I spoke about this last week. Stop taking trades where I'm not 100% convinced. Like, let's say, for example, this trade appeared and the candle closed here. Nothing like here happened. I would have taken the long and looked for this target as a risk reward. Right now, this low has used the strength to push here. It's coming back. It's a bit aggressive if I take it right now. I'm not anymore that convinced that much. So let's avoid these trades. I don't need to take a trade every day. I need to take a good trade when it happens. And when it happens, it can be even twice a week. But if that's why we have green trades and not red trades that kill my balance, let's freaking go. Let's do it. Well, look at that. This would have been a losing trade if I've taken it. Saving myself from this brutality. Saving myself from this brutality. Right now we see, does it wants to bounce? Very bearish is ES as well. Gold is coming lower. Gold looked good for shorter, but did not have anything taken that I was really interested. So right now we're gonna leave it there. If we see this candle coming back and closing above 800, I can be interested in taking it again, looking for the next highs. Until then, no trades for me. I cooperated with extremely shooting free strategy for 3 months. None work. Wow. Do we have some crazy things happening today? What is this market doing? What time is it? Monday, no news. We have FOMC rate decision on Wednesday. Right now, should I take this long? I need to see these things closing above. So, yeah. How much I'm risking there? 326. No, that's too much. Click on 3 macros. And if I go with 4 macros, I'm risking. No, that's correct. $400 if I close around there. Yeah, gonna go for 3 macros. Let's see. 1 more minute. One more minute. Maybe I take a longs. We're taking the New York lows. 40 seconds. Yeah, that was ugly, right? If you were short and had a stop loss, you were out there crying already. Risking, taking this trade, guys. 20 seconds. Yeah, I'm liking this trade. 15 seconds. Let's see. I need to see these things holding. I'm long. $220 loss. That's very lower than usually my target, so I'm gonna take it. Ooh. Let's see how this market wants to play. It's playing with the long at 809.2. Oh, if Mohammed is long, this is gonna be a losing trade. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Let's see if it wants to. Let's see if it wants to. If it wants to take profit. Usually, when I trade new PAs, what happens always when I trade new PAs, guys? A new PA. When I trade a new PA, what happens? I always lose the first trade on a new PA. Always. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Take profit 899 at you have a larger target than me. Let's see if it wants to hold right now. Right now, it doesn't want to hold. Stop at 659. Oh, you have it much lower as well. You have it here. I have it at this low. Nah. We need some acceleration. We need some help from ES right now. At 760, it's coming to fill you, Jose. Don't worry. It's coming to fill you. That's bearish 3-minute candle, not the best we wanted to see. We're gonna close a bearish there on the 3-minute candle. Oh, that's ugly. That was a beautiful 5 minutes as well, to be honest. That was a beautiful 5 minutes. Look at these 5 minutes. That's beautiful. Beautiful long. I will not be angry about this long because we took previous New York session low and closed lower, so cannot be angry by that. Are we close to blow up the accounts I want to blow up? They're still active. We lost 1,200, but we still have quite a lot of drawdown from them. We still have like 1,000. Losing trade, unfortunately, guys. Did not hold at all. Yes, totally weak. We're gonna leave it there for the moment. That's a bullish idea I had in mind. What is the previous day's low? Previous day's low is very far away. $579. No, that's looks like it wants to play around with the stop loss before shooting. Wow, that was a great stop loss there. Really great stop loss. It shooted 40 points lower. You said if you were short and had a stop loss, you'd be taking that kind. You'd be leaving that kind. Here, when I in this one, my stop loss would have been here. I believe because I was thinking to go long here, and my stop loss would have been here. But then when we came lower. Wait, we would now buy and now long standing. So that means most of the shorts are out. So the only people are now long standing. So that means most of the shorts are. I didn't get. I'm lost what you said there. This candle here was weird. It was a weird candle especially in the 1 minute. We saw it, me and Mufti there, and Mufti commented it. This candle here was, no, not this candle. No, wait, what the heck is... I cannot see anymore the timeline. Yeah, see, for example, this I was like very interested. I was like, oh, that's a nice. Should I give it a shot again on the longs now that we're taking massive lows? That's crazy. This we have a level here. But it's holding right now. Is this the low that we're waiting for it? I'm not gonna latch it. Yeah, I should have waited. Yeah, I see your point here. Yeah, I guess I see your point. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful because it seems like a ugly day. By the way, first trade of the new accounts always negative. It's a pricey for me. Not something new. I always lose on the first trade of the MPA. Nothing changes. Right, I need to turn on the conditioner because here it gets hot fast. Swing. We're gonna leave it there, guys, for the moment until we see. ES super bearish. ES was very bearish, so looking for this long was definitely. I was still good. This one is still a good entry. Yeah. What is the overnight low? Oh, man, I wish. Man, I hate this. I guess this one. I'm not able to see it anymore there properly. If someone knows what is the setting on tower that allows me, what I can do is, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. I'm done. I'm done waiting for, and I'm gonna just open a new chart and use it as a main one as before. So what do I need here? EMA, I really don't care about EMAs anymore. I don't even use them. The only annoying thing is I will lose all the levels, but I'm gonna put them. Sorry. Okay, now you're not gonna see nothing for a little bit, and I can't 56. I believe. Oh. So guys, finally. Okay, I had to do this for like such a long time. So now finally you can see I have the timeline. I don't know why in the other chart I could not see it anymore. I have to check if everything is working. Long. Copy traded. Yes, all good. So yeah, finally I can see the price and the time. Such a long time. 700. It's here. Here can be like a long idea, to be honest. It's just for me hard today to take a second trade right now until I see some like more confirmation that we're like bullish. Like maybe a higher low. Tack. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. One little loss is better than two losses. $240 is even less than my normal loss. Did I got slippage? No, I didn't get slippage there. So to be honest, so that's a good loss. And the good side is that free accounts, I will exchange them for new ones for $6. Totally worth it. I don't know why, and I did not think about that. And I have to go to the gym today because it's holiday here. It's raining as well. Yeah, I'm not holding, trying to hold there. How is gold? Ugly as hell. Guys, gold as well. Ugly as hell. We have these lows that were never taken, but we're inside the range. And at the support level, in taking this previous one, you could have taken the previous one on a support level, target these highs. How much would have been there? How did I change that? I'm making it bigger so everyone can see what the heck I'm doing when I decide. That's perfect. Quantity, $85. Price range. I don't care about price range. See, for example, now I like it. Price fix. I see, because that's gold. We're coming already to the low. Money one low. Perfect. Now I set it. Perfect. Now I can save it as well. Save. Let's go back to NQ. We might still coming lower. Yes, we're still coming lower. Do we have a low potential as a trade? We really need to come, stop out people, close below levels. Nah. It's like, I would know, this trade was already good for me. We're forcing it now again for a lot. Yeah. Now that I know what is, I see the price overnight lows and this one here. This one here, overnight lows. Previous day's low, overnight lows. Does it once? Maybe. Yes, still very bearish. Gold selling off right now. Ooh, gold really selling off right now. But even this one, gold did not take this previous high. And if it does not hold this level, ooh, let's see what does it want to do. Does it want to come back and hold this level? Let's see on the hour chart. We're grabbing some lows. Does it want to come back and close above this area support? Risk of here $100, and you try to aim 160. So you're aiming for like almost 1 to 2 if it wants to do that. The hour candle is just open, so that's a very flashy candle. This candle can be a huge red one, or it can be just a wick and a big green one. So everything can happen there. Thank you, still pushing there. Thank you, holding right now finally. Thank you, showing some hold. Thank you for the first time showing some hold there. Or maybe this is going to be the stop out of these people. First people that are shorting here, getting stopped out right now, and looking for the second bearish move. Ha! Huh. Gonna remove this area here, don't like it. That would be interesting if it's really doing that. Does it want to stop out these people and coming back lower? Maybe yes, maybe not. Daily opening, you mean daily like yesterday 6 p.m. or you mean daily opening New York session? New York session opening is here at 790 or 6 p.m. yesterday market open somewhere here. 750. Ah, you mean it's holding 750. Let's see. Let's see. It already that it stopped out these people. That's interesting. It looks weaker than strong enough to push above. I might be interested, guys, to be honest. Huh? People shorting at this level, getting stopped out. A nice bearish candle there. One more minute. I might be interested to take shots. And I will aim for these lows. Who wants to do that without flying away? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, baby. Do it without me. That's no problem. I'm looking for it, guys, for shorts. Let me just try to get a better entry. Okay. And we're gonna aim for these lows. I like that we're still bearish overall. If this one is a stop out, my live stream is done, guys. Done for today. Let's see how it does. Maybe I will get NQ gold just selling off. Huge sell-off there in gold, guys. Huge sell-off. Come on, NQ. You can sell as well. It doesn't want. Wow. Account's blown. One account is blown. So one account is gone. Account 47 is gone, guys. It will be changed for a new $6 one. So that's expected. This account, guys, had 130 days. 150 days alive. Crazy to think about that. We're very bearish in ES as well. So we might just get clapped, but these things can still go lower before pushing higher. But that's it. We might get clapped. Does look so. And we're gonna get clapped, guys. Double loss. Double loss on the day. Yes, another one is gone. And another one is gone. The free accounts are gone, guys. And my other one. Did I forget a trade? Double loss, guys. Double loss. Could have done better. I don't know if I could have done better. Probably this is gonna be like the first people short out and then the red candle lower. I'm gonna look into it. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm done. But let's see if this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. How it stopped me out. How it stopped me out. Is this gonna be? Is this one the first one getting stopped out? I mean, did I get stopped out on the wick? On the tick? I was liquidity in this case, guys. I was really liquidity in this case. I thought these were liquidity. I thought that these people were liquidity. And maybe are these people here were liquidity. That's so sad. That's so sad, guys. $100, it's okay loss. But yeah, just one push, come back, second push, stopped out, third push. But it's okay. So free accounts are gone, guys. Will be converted today, and these accounts are finally gone. So tomorrow we're gonna start with free, new, fresh one. And always my accounts, when they're new, they always start negative. Freaking hell. Let's pass some evaluation. Look, I have one. Like, let me take out one evaluations. Let me take some evaluation here. Because for me, we're gonna go short here. Let me take my 179. 179. Thank you. Look, for me, we are very, very bearish right now. I'm gonna go with 5 minutes. to the low side. It's unlucky that we got stopped out on the tick. Really unlucky. The second possible trade would have been somewhere here when this candle closed. We got unlucky there, guys. We just got unlucky. It's not gonna happen every time, but it happens sometimes. What is my profit target here? 3,000 is here. I have always evaluations, man. It's I have them there. It's a benefit. It's a benefit. I have some events. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, we were liquidity, guys, on the first people shorting here. That's so annoying. Yeah, you can have more than, yeah, you can have evaluation. You don't have limits. You can have hundreds of evaluations. You can have as many evaluations as you want. 20 PS is the limit. This thing is gonna go to take profit. Let's play it with the as well aggressive scalping. Take profit. Let's make it like 10 ticks. I'm gonna say aggressive. Okay. Go to one. Make it another one. Get to me. Look, if I had to enter, let's see if I entered here before. Yeah. That's yeah. This would have been already a nice risk reward because 500 to make 600. Yeah, that was beautiful. More than 1-to-1 risk reward. This is a beautiful trade short. This is a beautiful trade short. Risking 500 somewhere here. 500 is because it's one mini contract, but go make it like 300, and you're making more than 500. That means it was a more than 1-to-1 risk reward here. That's unlucky. We got stopped out. The trade idea was correct. I mean, the short idea, I still believe it's very worth it. The downside is the fortunate case we took it here, thinking this one was stopped out. Instead, it stopped out this one, and then it went higher. Piece of crap. Okay, give me another 10 ticks there. We're gonna pass this evaluation, guys. This is how we're gonna pass the evaluations. To the downside. There is nothing else to go. Downside right now. We're gonna get it. Look at that. I see YOLO. We're gonna get it, man. 5 minutes. I'm such a so confident in the short somehow. Yes, just selling off. Okay, well again scalping. Yeah, boom. 10 ticks there again. Scalp. Playing around this area. Let's play it again. $50. Each time we play with one mini contract is $50. Okay. Now, give me these points here. How much I still have there? That's $2,000. That's even better. It closed still bearish. Okay. To be honest, I really like this short. We've taken these people out. Unfortunately, I thought these were the people that were taken out. That's so unlucky. I thought these one were taken out, and then this one stopped them out. Instead, it's here. In this short, I will be like super comfortable. Look at that. and we're out. Ah, I miss $100. That means I miss 10 ticks with 1 mini. No, so with 2 minis. Ah, I miss $100 there. That's how we pass an evaluation. It's $100, $110, so even more than 1 tick here. Let's play this one. We can play it. No, let's play it as a quick possible bounce here. And out. Okay, we are $3,000.20. $3,000.20, guys. Annoying, guys. Let's go back to M&Q because I don't want to do the mistake of Bogdan. But it's annoying. That's really annoying, guys. We had a beautiful short here. $52. I think let's play it with the correct amount of contracts. If I short it somewhere here, would have been no, that's a bit too many contracts. 557 to make 302 would have recovered my loss and made some money. But that's so unlucky. We got ticked out, guys. We got ticked out here and turned over. I had a beautiful short idea there. That's so annoying that I took this short and I become liquidity of people. And then after the real short came out, it was here. Always below the level. And yeah, it's unlucky. It's unfortunate. 1-to-1. But it was the best trade. I honestly thought this was the push because if I go to, for example, like lower time frame, I was thinking this. You see, we pushed first people shorting here. First people shorting to come the lows, come back, stop them out. We don't hold the level. We're still bearish, closed very nicely bearish, came back, stopping out as well, and then continue lower. That's so unlucky. That's so unlucky. Right? That's life. That would have been like a perfect trade short there. Grabbing liquidity, breaking this flag to the downside. Yeah, still a short looks good. We're still bearish, by the way, today. Very bearish. Very, very strongly bearish right now. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna trade anymore on the PAs for sure. We're gonna have 3 new PAs tomorrow. We passed an evaluation as well. I think this is like the best trade to pass the evaluation was this short, and we did it. So we're gonna do this every day. We're gonna try to pass evaluations every day. Maybe I'm gonna have like 50 PAs on my background. But we're gonna do this every time. 670 to 700, 670, 670, 700. So you're much lower here. This area. Every day. We're gonna help you to pass evaluations. I have evaluations in the background. I have a lot of, no, not a lot. I have like, no, every day it's a big word. I have 1, 2, 3, no, wait, that's, yeah. No, wait, no, already some are passed. No, that's why I don't have that many. 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 evaluation. No, no, it's a benefit. I can say that it's a benefit. It's like you work for Apple and they give you iPhone. That's why. You work for Apple, they give you iPhone. You work for Apex, they might give you evaluations. But no, yeah, I don't hide anything. It's the real money I spent this year is the one below here. It's because it's the activation fee. I have to pay for activation fee. Don't they need a mobile app? You're thinking you need like to work as a mobile developer? Maybe yes, maybe yes, maybe they do. It's a good benefit. I tried trading from phone. Yeah, it's not the yeah trading from phone it sucks. Wait, man. I went long here, got stopped out. Went short here, got stopped out by T-stick. And the trade and after this became I became liquidity. I became liquidity, and then it came lower. So I went short here. The next short was better, but I'm already at my max loss on the day, $500 loss. You can't on WealthCharts. On you in WealthCharts you can trade. There is no trade copier yet, but it will happen soon. Yes, soon as well on mobile. No, you can trade on the WealthChart application. No, mobile app. Mobile app. Apple Store. No, I mean the application, the mobile application, like iPhone or Android. I have it here. Let me log in. I don't remember the password. Shit, I don't remember the password. It's not correct. Please log in. I don't remember the password. I don't remember the password of my account in WealthChart. Need to get in. Wait. I need password management in Google. What is it? WealthCharts. Yes. What is the password? Show me. Yeah, I freaking typed that shit. Oh yeah. Okay. This shit is still going short. Look, full screen with mic. Okay, now you can see. Okay, new things have been added in the mobile application. I go here. I honestly never traded, but this is the mobile app, and I can click here below trade. So Apex Trader funding, select account. Let's see, account 44. Login. Okay. So this one I can move it down. So right now Nasdaq there, and I'm gonna change the time frame to 2 minutes. Why it's not? Is it the correct one? No, it's not the. No, it's wrong instrument. NQZ5. So now I have it there. It's bearish. I'm gonna sell, and I'm short. So now I'm short. I'm positive 7 points, and I'm gonna flatten. So yeah, that's the mobile app. I think it works very well. I really like the fact that I can move the order section up and down. But they're working as well on the trade copy and other things as well. They're working on many things. These market guys. Why did I get faked out by this shit here? So annoying. I really need to see I guess a bullish candle to think about first short and then short and so. Yeah, it's what Bullshit. 670 there, my friend. It's there. I'm blah. No, it's okay. Sorry. I was describing your WealthChart. Yeah, we're good. Definitely. I'm down $15,000 today. I should be probably down even more. No, 15. No, I'm down more because I lost my PAs, but it's fine. I was ready to lose them. Ready to lose them. I'm freaking hell. If I pay $6 and I activate new ones with initial balance, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. For $6. 10.26. I think it will. I mean, it's raining so much, guys, outside. It's raining a lot. What can I do today? Today is holiday. It's holiday. I'm here. If you ever think to use Apex, guys, my code is Hamza. That's my name. HAMZA. It's a beautiful name. So every time you use it, it brings you luck. You are gonna be profitable in less than a month. People that have used my code will get payout because they know how to trade. To the last two shorts you took out, stopped out by tick. Man, you got stopped out as well when I on my first attempt here, and then you good job. I unfortunately did not have any more like power to short again because I would have been, if this one would have been a loss again, I would have been like at $800 loss. That's too much. But yeah, this was a beautiful, again, that was a mistake by me. Which one? The first one? I think it's fine. I mean, this, because we had a beautiful push here, coming back, first people, then again, pam, 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 and I was like, okay, it's enough. So annoying, but it's okay. $500 loss. We have to recover these days. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We have FMC. That's gonna be special day for sure. I get your point. I get your point that it's not quite enough, to be honest. I was thinking I would be happy to see first a green candle, then a red, and then a green candle. Or I mean a green candle to think that buyers are stepping in as a confirmation that buyers are there. And then you think about shorts, people stepping in, and then stopped out liquidity. That's okay. We're gonna move to the next trade. I'm really happy that I thought about short being very bullish on the day. Now we are taking previous day's low. Sorry, previous day low of the day. I got in and was like, we still have a lot of downside potential here. It's a big area of many levels there. I'm gonna call it myself there. I will wait. I will check them out. I think I'm gonna call it, guys. Yeah, done for the day. I don't need to watch this because if I stay here, I know I'm not gonna take more trades. I've passed an evaluation, and I don't think there is another, like, if I want to pass an evaluation, I want to make it like good chance with one of these trades. Like this trade here was beautiful. Guys, have a beautiful time. Have a beautiful day. See you tomorrow. Always live streaming. Always not hiding any shit. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a beautiful time. Take care, guys. Take care.